Hello everyone, welcome to Study Desk. In this video, we are going to learn and write bird's name. Come, let's start. P-A-R-R-O-T Parrot. S-P-A-R-R-O-W Sparrow. P-E-A-C-O-C-K Peacock. P-I-G-E-O-N Pigeon. C-R-O-W Crow. O-W-L Owl. D-U-C-K Duck. S-W-A-N Swan. H-E-N Hen. H-A-W-K Hawk. S-E-A-G-U-L-L Seagull. P-E-L-I-C-A-N Pelican. B-U-L-B-U-L Bulbul. C-R-A-N-E Crane. H-E-R-O-N Heron. M-Y-N-A-H Mynah. V-U-L-T-U-R-E Vulture. R-O-O-S-T-E-R Rooster. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O Flamingo. T-U-R-K-E-Y Turkey. Good job, children. Come, repeat with me. Parrot. Once again, parrot. Sparrow. Sparrow. Peacock. Peacock. Pigeon. Pigeon. Crow. Crow. Owl. Owl. Duck. Duck. Swan. Swan. Hen. Hen. Hawk. Hawk. Seagull. Seagull. Pelican. Pelican. Bulbul. Bulbul. Crane. Crane. Heron. Heron. Mynah. Mynah. Vulture, vulture. Rooster, rooster. Flamingo, flamingo. Turkey, turkey.